Hi everyone, welcome to my little vlog today on Tuesday, May 7. Okay, and I very apologize about my yesterday video. I don't know what just happened. It just didn't show what I expected. Like it been blocked, but I think I'll be better, and I did something a little change, and you're gonna notice. I just want to make sure everything was perfect. And I just heard a door close from downstairs. Like, my mom went somewhere. But where? I had to text her to find out where are you going? See how it's in the way. Everything good. Wow. On my day, I want to make sure that everything going perfectly good. I just, when I do track and field, I just gonna hold I do my best. And the Special Olympics, I'll be doing my best as well. It'll be 4 days in a row. Because the Special Olympics will be like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And after that event is over, I'll get something special surprise. For me, of course. And I'm very hoping I wait and see what it is. And it's going to be amazing. Because that's when after Special Olympics will be over, I think I'll be very popular in the school. I just, they might be giving me an autograph. How exciting is that? My dad should kind of watch TV in the bedroom, parent bedroom. Well, when I go to the Special Olympics, I'll be like public, what? Be on TV. Cool, cool, cool. And I'll be really excited, even though it'll be my first time. But I have to be brave, passionate, and have fun. Even though I have to make it to 4. When I pass 4, I'll be free from my Special Olympics. Even though I have to try to make it to 4 in a row. I really wish for my parents to be there to cheer me on for Special Olympics. Because I won't be so nervous when they're here. I'll be so nervous when my parents not there, cheer me on. So that's why I wanted them to be there. That way I won't be so nervous. It'd be amazing if we have some of my family there. My mom, my dad, my sister, my aunt, my uncle, and my cousin, Anna, Louie, and Christina. And it's gonna be amazing for me to join a special Olympics. And I want they to come, because then I'll be so happy, and then I'll forget how nervous I was, and I will never actually be scared again. It's gonna be so great. Mm-hmm. Mm. Well, I was mad you got to go to winners, but my mom does have money. So she won't, we were only want to go to winners, that way they get to have maybe 4 of those mustard shirt hoodie, because there's like a bunch. So 4 different kinds of mustard shirt hoodie. It's gonna be like amazing. But my mom don't have money, so I have to wait until Friday. Somehow, I feel like I would choose to be the special person to do the soccer, basketball, track and field, and Special Olympics. Wow. Somehow, they think I'm the most special person to do something all that. And it did. And I will not change my mind of not going to the Special Olympics. After they announce the name, they're all very pleased to me. So I'm not gonna make my chance to not change my mind. No way. Cause this is important. That way I could be so popular and see what it feels like to be a popular person, to be Special Olympics. Cause I'll be very popular when I'm on TV. When I'm about to next week. I won't be in school Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, except for Monday. Monday's the only one time to be at school. But I don't know how long I'll be doing the Special Olympics. I do have to get home on the first one, and the second, and the third, and the fourth. Because just can't stay there for that long. So, I was pretty hoping with find out what's gonna happen, and wait to see how long this Special Olympics is gonna be from next week, and how long we'll be staying in there until the first one ends. I've never been popular before. I hear what it feels like, but I've never done it from what I feel like. But I will. And I am quite excited. I just really want to have my parents there to cheer me on. Because it won't be actually the same when I'm there. When they're really not there, I'll be nervous and I'll be afraid to do it. But if they did come, I'll be no longer nervous. But they don't. I'm doomed. But I really hope they will come. Because it won't be the same without them. Report me. Mom, Dad, my sister, Anna, Louie, Christina. Well, their nickname I give them is Minga and Bidding. But I'm now saying Anna and Louie. Because that's their real name. Christina It's always been her name. It's just aunt and uncle, and Bodita, and Boo Boo. Her next was actually Bobo. But Bodita is a Portuguese name, and Boo Boo is also a Portuguese name. And Maria must be the name my grandmother would give her when she was a baby, and because she was born in Portugal. But now she moved here in Mississauga, and that's what makes me how I speak English. Because my dad's born with Toronto, but he also learned how to speak Portuguese. But me, I don't think I'm ever going to try. I just created what I was speaking Portuguese, like, God, what you want me to speak Portuguese at all? Well, that's all I'll be saying today, and I hope everyone just have a good day, and I will subscribe this video, and hope you like it, and I will see you tomorrow, and I hope you all support me about track and field meet, support, and somehow I can't spit it out. It doesn't matter. Just share me on and congratulate me and point me how much it's mean to me. So point me how and share me on and care about me about track and field meet tomorrow. So appoint me because this could be amazing. Bye.